Hey everyone, today I will show you how to use your Bit credit card for quick and easy payments. Let's get started. Before using your Bit credit card, make sure it's activated. If you haven't already, follow the instructions sent to your email or check the Bit app to activate your card. Next, add your Bit credit card to your payment methods on app like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or use it directly for in-store purchases. When you are ready to make a purchase, simply tap on swipe your Bit credit card at checkout just like any other credit card. If you are shopping online, enter your card details at the payment screen. Use the Bit app to track your spending, manage your balance, and even earn rewards for eligible purchases. And that's it. You are now ready to use your Bit credit card for convenient payments. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.